Hello and welcome to Hedin USA. Today we're going to be taking a look at one of our battery-powered AGVs. This example is the GT Tugger style, which is a battery-powered transporter here in the front, and then the unpowered bogie system in the back that allows you to tow a large chassis through their manufacturing process. This one can handle 110,000 pounds. Let's take a look. The process starts with large axles being lowered onto the AGVs at a transfer station that we also designed and manufactured. The AGVs then drive out of the station to the next work cell. The customer's product is then on AGVs throughout the entire process until the product is fully assembled. Once the AGVs reach the end of the assembly process, the main AGV automatically locates and connects via a hitch mechanism to the bogie unit and drives both to the beginning of the assembly line. In addition to the automated functionality of this system, this particular customer requested a manual control that they could toggle, switching it from automatic to manual mode. You might use this in a scenario where you're going to a washdown area or for maintenance or into any other part of the facility that maybe wasn't anticipated as part of the original line. While in operation, dual safety scanners are constantly surveying the area in front and behind the AGV. The scanners can see up to 27 feet and include programmable slow and stop zones, as well as the emergency stop for operator safety. The system includes multiple AGV system modes, including manual, semi-automatic, and fully automatic. Under this cover, we have the primary control panel for the unit. That includes a number of different screens that will tell you status, battery charge, things like that. It also has the battery charger connection here. We offer opportunity charging so the AGVs can charge themselves as they go through the loop. This customer chose a manual charging, but both are available. You've also got your emergency stops here on every corner of the vehicle and flashing and audible alarms. Hedin USA provides systems from several thousand pounds up to millions of pounds. Like our customers, we're focused on automation. You can find other AGV videos and simulations at HedinUSA/AGV.